My name is Aricia Grace, and I only listen to one artist's music. For nearly 9 months now, I've done experiments where I only listen to specific artists to learn more about how cymatics affect the human brain. And my cymatics research made me curious about concepts within the realm of quantum physics. Up until this point, all of my experiments have been almost solely about music. But I think I would like to change directions a little. Over the years, there have been several theories created and studies done about social media and its impact specifically on the human brain. And it seems like scientists' overall conclusion is that for society, social media isn't really that good because humans are impressionable. But we knew that. What it seems to me we don't know that much about is how fast it happens. And I imagine that has to do with the fact that everyone is different. Thus, there can't really be a universal guideline for like, this is too much social media access. Yet somehow we do know that it takes roughly 21 days to try to start to form a habit. In the Megan Thee Stallion experiment, which was my first ever official experiment, it only took 2 weeks before I began to modify things about my daily routine to cater to self-care. And the difference was visible in my skin within 21 days. In experiment 3, which was the City Girls experiment, by day 21, I had literally started questioning my physical appearance to the degree that I didn't want to post if I didn't have certain things about my appearance together before I got on camera. And by the end of month 1, I had started seeking out outfits and media that I was uncharacteristic of me at the time. Shifting subjects a little bit, but it will all connect. If I am correct about a theory I have, Instagram is the first ever app to completely spawn an aesthetic of its own that was tangible, meaning able to be seen on the street. Years ago, IG baddie was a concept, but it took on such a life over the years that it got to the point where now you can go outside and actually physically see someone on the street that looks in essence like what Instagram is as a community. And I find that so very fascinating. If you've ever seen one of my experiments, you know where this is going. I am creating an experiment where I would like to find out if I modified the methodology in which I do my experiments, where I intentionally internalize and consume 3 to 4 hours of music, to consuming 3 to 4 hours of social media per day. How much would it modify my life and thought patterns within 30 days? Starting on May 1st, we are going to try to figure out how fast social media can begin to impact your mind. And even more importantly, can IG literally create an IG baddie?